The world hasn't seen anything like it. Coming from the heart of the Arabian Peninsula, Muhammad changed the course of human history. In a time when darkness veiled the hearts of men, a beacon of light emerged from the sands of Arabia. Despite fierce opposition and persecution, Islam continued to flourish, fueled by the unwavering faith and dedication of its followers. Still to Mecca they come, mankind, the people of Islam dressed in their pilgrim white. All equal before God, all united in this place of prayer, each individual soul joined in a community